So I recently got introduced to mattress cleaners when Jimmy sent me their BX7 Pro mattress cleaner, and I was astonished to see how much dirt got out of my mattress. And if you're interested in that review, I'll put a link in the description so you can watch that. So today we're going to take a look at another model, the BX6 Lite, which is a more affordable option to see if it's also effective at removing dirt from your mattress. But also, Jimmy has agreed to send 2 lucky winners the BX6 Lite. So make sure to watch the video to the end to see how you can win one. So let's take a look at the BX6 Lite, and firstly, what is a mattress cleaner? And essentially, it's a vacuum cleaner, and that is designed to clean mattresses and kill dust mites. And the way it does that, it has a special rotating brush that also taps the mattress as it cleans it to agitate it and make it easier for the vacuum to suck out the dust and the dust mites. But also it uses heat, UV light, and ultrasound to alter the DNA of dust mites and effectively kill them. Now, in terms of specs, the BX6 Lite, of course, being the more affordable option, is less powerful than the BX7, starting with a motor, which is 600 watts compared to 700 on the BX7. And this is what I'm going to be testing in a bit on my mattress to see if the less powerful motor is also effective at extracting dust from the mattress. It does, however, have 2 power modes, strong or soft, which you can cycle through by pressing on the button over here. The BX7 Pro also has dual heating, both the graphene element and it blows hot air at 60 degrees. The BX6 Lite only has hot air blowing and at a lower temperature of 55 degrees. And I tested that to see if it meets their claims. And as you can see, it got the 55 degrees and a little bit more as well, which was good to know. Similar to the BX7 Pro Max, it also has UV light, although it is a narrower UV strip. But I'm happy to see that it also has the same protection method, which is as soon as you lift off the vacuum from whatever surface you're cleaning, the UV light automatically turns off, as you can see, to protect us from the harmful UV rays. Also similar to the BX7 Pro Max, it has a dust sensor, which is great to have, and this is going to let you know as you are vacuuming if you got rid of all the dust or not. And I found this feature extremely helpful because, well, obviously dust is invisible, and without any indicator if you've gotten all the dust or not, you're probably going to do 1, 2, 3 passes and you're going to assume all the dust is gone. But no, not always. Sometimes you got to do more than 1 pass, and this is where the dust sensor is really helpful to show you where you have areas of more dust that you need to work on more. There's no visual indicator on the BX6 Lite, but rather a number count, and here's where you're going to play the game of going over that area as many times as you need to until you see a big fat 0, meaning there's no more dust. Now, all that's good. Is it effective? And this is exactly what I wanted to test. So I went over my mattress, and do keep in mind, it wasn't too long ago that I actually did my entire mattress with the BX7 Pro Max. And as a reminder, this is what the BX7 Pro Max was able to extract from my mattress. This was probably about a week or 10 days ago. So my mattress should have been fairly clean. And to my surprise, this is how much dust came out of the mattress with the BX6 Lite. So despite it being not as powerful as the BX7 Pro, for a mattress that was clean not too long ago and getting this much dust out of it, I would say kudos to the BX6 Lite. It seems like it works. And when you're done emptying, the dust is very easy. You just press this button over here to remove the canister and you throw out the dust, and this is water washable, so you can actually wash it and let it dry before you use it again. So if you're looking to deep clean your mattress, get rid of all that dust and possibly dust mites, but don't want to pay too much money to get a BX7 Pro, then the BX6 Lite is worth looking into. As you can see, it did a great job at extracting dust from a fairly recently cleaned mattress. I'll put links in the description to check the price at the moment you're watching this review. These are affiliate links, so if you do decide to purchase this, I may earn some commission at absolutely no extra cost to you, but this will greatly help support the channel. And before I thank you for watching the video, how can you win 2 of these BX6 Lite mattress cleaners? Well, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and follow Jimmy's channel. I'll put links in the description. Like this video and leave a comment in the comment section telling us if you have ever cleaned or thought about cleaning your mattress and which country you're watching from. And in about 4 weeks time, we will randomly select 2 winners from all these comments and get in touch with you to get your shipping details. I'll pass it to Jimmy and they will send you the BX6 Lite. That's it for me, and don't forget, subscribe, like, and leave a comment to enter the draw, and I'll see you next time.